Need to share large files but don't want to install any extra software? In this video, I'll show you how to compress files and folders using only Windows 11's built-in tools. First, select the files or folders you want to compress. Now, right-click on the selected files, hover over Compress to, and choose Zip File. Windows will instantly create a zip file. You can rename the zip file, and it's ready to share by email or upload online. To view or extract the contents, just right-click the zip file and click Extract All on the top menu. Choose your destination folder, and Windows will unpack everything for you. Zip files are smaller, easier to send, and anyone can open them, even without WinRAR or 7-Zip. And that's how you compress and unzip files in Windows 11 without using any third-party software. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out my other quick Windows tutorials.